Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So Sean just brought us his second bike. We built the bike for Sean last year, and this year he brought us his bike out from Vegas. He's got a bike that he keeps in Las Vegas, and he's got a bike he keeps in Florida. He travels back and forth. He was completely happy with the sound on the bike we built him before. He didn't want to take a chance, wanted the same sound on his 2024, so he brought us that one. Sean's a big fan of Bad Dad accessories, so both bikes look amazing. Both bikes are custom painted. Both bikes are Bad Dad ass accessories out. Look, so we made both bikes sound good. He's very particular about his sound, likes a certain type of sound, likes his music loud, and he wants his system reliable, and he wants everything weatherproof. So we were able to do that for him. Check out the way this 2024 came out. Looks really good, sounds really good. Check it out.
Rolling the way down, now bring your hand. You only can rescue me. This is my prayer. If you are mine, something's got a hold on me lately, though I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Oh, out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me, trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of my mind blown. Oh, oh, jump at the club on bump like what? Had every day. Saw you outside, the passenger side, cause I let my best friend drive. He was in line. That's when you caught my eyes, girl. You were so.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me.
Now that I escape, sleep, walk away.
Yeah.
Those who correlate know the world ain't kick. Jail bars ain't golden gates. Those who fake, they break. When they meet their 400-pound mate, if I could rule the world, everyone would have a gun in the ghetto, of course. We get the up and on their horse. I kick around drinking moonshine. I pour a sip on the concrete, put it in seats, but no, don't weep. Why Clef's in a state of sleep, thinking about the robbery that I did last week. Money in the bag, banker look like a drag. I wanna play with pelicans from here to Baghdad.